Hi guys, my name is Apoorv and in this video we are doing an SEO audit for Diatech Diabetes. They are one of the leading innovators in diabetes management. So first of all, we are going to go through the website, then jump onto site audit, and thirdly, domain overview. And in the last stage, we'll talk about what copy changes can we make to make this site convert better. Here we go. Simple and discrete infusion failure detection with SmartFusion. Okay. About us, what are infusion set failures? Good. Okay. Okay, facts, statuses, done. This is good. How does it look on mobile phone? Okay. And what CMS is this? Is it WordPress by any chance? No. Okay. Let's jump onto the site audit. You have a health score of 69%. That is bad. 74 errors and 125 warnings. Let's see what are these errors and warnings. 40 issues with broken internal JavaScript and CSS files. Okay. It's a technical thing that you have to fix it up. And you can see the list here. This. You can also jump onto a Google Search Console and you will see the similar error with much more detail. 15 issues with duplicate title tags. This simply means that, okay, let's see what kind of pages we can see here. Home HTML, news HTML, contact HTML. What do you have it here? Dietech Diabetes. Okay, you have to create, so it's a very basic rule for every page, every blog post, every article that you put on your website, right? There has to be a specific and separate meta description, meta title, and structured slug for it. Right now it's all duplicate, and if this is the issue, there could be an issue which is not mentioned here, that the meta descriptions are also the same. 15 pages of duplicate content issues. This could be because of low word count, so you'll have to work on that. Let's see. This makes sense because the header, footer, and same when the contact us form is loading. Let's jump to the home part. So if I'm seeing dietechdiabetes.com and dietechdiabetes.com/home HTML as a duplicate thing, it's a wrong sign. The reason being, search engine is indexing both of these pages as separate pages. You have to go to your robots.txt and htaccess file and make them perfect in a manner that duplicacy should not be happening between these pages. For example, I'm not seeing the error here, but I am assuming that if you have not worked on robots or htaccess file actually in detail, you might also be getting this error wherein https colon slash slash www.dietechdiabetes.com slash contact html would be different from https colon slash slash dietechdiabetes.com slash contact html. Just fix this up. Robots.txt and htaccess file. Make sure you're properly working on that. Two pages return 4xx status code, which means that these pages does not exist anymore. So you have to work on both of these pages. These are the most underrated things for SEO. Make sure they're done at their best. Two internal images are broken. One is this, okay, and this is on team HTML page. Let's see. I can't see a LinkedIn image. Not sure. Let's check it in the code once. Okay. Then we have nothing much. 34 images don't have alt attributes. Okay, this is bad. Every image should have an alternative text, which simply means that you're telling search engines in text about what the image is. For example, if I head to your website, okay, you can easily put your keywords as an alt text for this image to rank better. Okay, don't miss out on that. 15 pages don't have meta descriptions. Yeah, it is much similar to how 15 pages do not have the meta titles. So you have to work on that. Low word count, low text HTML ratio are the similar thing. 11 pages don't have an H1 heading. Okay. This is bad. Let's see. So is it H1? No, it's not. Technically, your headline or title of the page should be H1. This should be H1. There should have been a tagline right, sub headline right here, but it totally depends on the UI. So make sure you do the H1 thing here. Then comes external link are broken for four outgoing internal links are broken. Contain no follow attribute. Okay, so there are two types of links: no follow and do follow. Do follow are the ones wherein search engine spiders actually divide into two sections. One goes to your entire website and other one goes to the link that you have linked to. No follow simply means that the spiders don't have to go to a different website or the website linked here. They just have to go to the entire page. Consider this, for example, if you're reading an article about diabetes on Wikipedia, right? Let's jump onto diabetes Wikipedia. Common endocrine diseases, right? If I will click on it, it will lead to a different page. If you'll make this no follow, automatically this page will have a no follow backlink, which does not, which have much lower value in compared to a do follow link, right? So especially when you're working on the internal links, make sure all of the links are do follow, right? So let's jump on to the next one. Two pages have underscores in the URL. Make it press dash release, not press. I told you about this error, right? HTTPS colon slash slash without www and with www. Both of these pages are considered as two different pages. Work on HTXS file, fix it up. Okay. Sitemap XML not found. Okay. You have to work on this. This single sitemap file tells Google via Google Search Console about your entire structure of the website. So make sure it's at par and you have submitted it to your Search Console. So this was the audit. Let's jump on the domain overview part. Authority score of 18, which is good considering the backlinks that you have. Organic search traffic is 34. Let's jump on to see what kind of organic keywords are you ranking on currently based on traffic. Your branded keyword again. Let's just exclude this one. Oh, I have to upgrade to pro, but let it be. So I can see that insulin pump infusion set, diabetes technology conference. These two are the only keywords you're ranking on the position 78, giving a traffic of 0. Okay. So basically, you're not ranking on any keywords apart from your branded keywords. Okay. You're easily missing out on at least 100 to 200K traffic happening in the next 6 to 7 months for your website. That too on non branded keywords. So let's jump onto the domain overview. See the backlinks. Government, challenge, other pages, Crunchbase. 93 different domains. It's a strong number. You have to work on the backlinks. But okay, you don't have to actually work on the backlinks right now. You have to work on the content, the website, fixing all the technical aspects, and ultimately focusing more on increasing your revenues in terms of ranking on more keywords. So this was it in terms of the domain overview and audit part. Let's jump onto the website and see what kind of copy changes can we make, what kind of keywords can we actually reduce to make it rank better. Here we go. Some of the best search queries for your website would be best infusion set failure detection, AI powered insulin pump monitoring, SmartFusion infusion failure detection, innovative diabetes management tools, preventing insulin infusion blockages, automated insulin delivery systems. What do we have here? Insulin pump safety features, reliable insulin pump infusion monitoring, and yep, I feel These are some long tail keywords and search queries that you should reduce in your copy on your home page or on different pages to actually rank better. Let's jump onto the content on in terms of what kind of content pieces can you actually create. So let me just see if you have done anything in terms of blog. Okay, now is it CTA? Okay, we'll come to it later. This has to change. Okay, perfect. So for the content part, one thing that can be done is for the keyword insulin pump safety 2024 2025 or innovative insulin pump technologies. The article or content piece could be top innovations in insulin pump safety for 2024 2025. Another one could be if you have a case study, then preventing infusion set failures with SmartFusion, something around that. If you want to stand out as an industry leader, start talking about the topics that are trendy. For example, AI. So, and you are already using it, right? So, how AI is revolutionizing diabetes management. It's a proper tofu top of the funnel article with awareness act. So, this could target keywords like AI in diabetes management, AI diabetes technology, and something that you do as to showcasing your features. It could be top features of SmartFusion you need to know. And this could rank on keywords like SmartFusion features, best features for insulin pumps, and something around why automated insulin delivery is the future. It could rank for the keywords like automated insulin delivery, future of insulin pumps. Another one could be improving patient safety with advanced infusion detection. And patient safety insulin pumps could be a keyword. Another one could be, along with AI, is around smart devices, right? So, smart devices insulin monitoring is the keyword, and the content piece could be around using smart devices to monitor insulin infusions, right? So, yeah, something around those lines. You have to start creating content to increase your avenues to actually rank on more keywords and increase your rankings. For the copy part, I feel let's if I start the CTA, first of all, your homepage should have at least three CTAs. Right now, I'm only seeing one, and this does not look like a CTA. So, want to learn more or learn more could be your button, and click here to connect. I'm not, so it should be something like how do we say it? There should be a button with the text written on it. For example, discover more, and uh, there should be some small text written below the button. Contact us today to enhance your diabetes management. Something around those lines. Not exactly this, but something around those lines. Then I saw successful, yeah, successful and failed infusion. Infusion. To gain some more trust, you can start popping out some text, like, for example, ensure successful infusions every time, detect and prevent failures with smart fusion technology. Okay. And Diatech Diabetes is a medical device company based out of Memphis, right here. About us. Okay. And it's not heading. Also, you have to structure it in such a manner. For example, this is H1. About us will be H2. This will be paragraph, then CTA. And your CTA should be one. For example, meet the team is a CTA here, and this one leads to somewhere else. You have to decide one CTA that will go three times on your homepage, and rest people can go from here, team, news, everything, right? So that is one part. Vision. Can It's a wild thought, okay, but for the current headline, simple and discrete infusion failure detection with smart fusion, we can replace it with revolutionize your insulin pump experience with smart fusion, simple discrete infusion failure detection. Just making it more. The idea is to The idea is for people who are getting on your website to understand what do you guys do under 3 seconds. So based on that, and leading innovation in diabetes management, I can see that somewhere. No, maybe you can use this term leading innovators in diabetes management somewhere around the top in the very first fold somehow. But I think this is it. Work on a technical SEO, reduce more of the keywords that I've mentioned, uh, start creating blog post content pieces. And if you need any help, feel free to reach out to me. You can find my link in the description below. Thank you so much. I hope it helps. Bye bye.